Habari Gani. The word of today is Ujamaa, which means cooperative economics. As always, we're going to start with our libations, our tembiko. We're going to pour water into our kikombe cha umoja, which is the unity cup. So today, in the spirit of cooperative economics, I'm going to pay and pour libations for Marion Barry. Now, for those of you who don't know Marion Barry was the mayor of D.C., and he did something that hadn't really been done before. When he became mayor of D.C., he took the budget, the city budget for the city of D.C., which is more of a city, state, commonwealth, but, we'll get into that. That's a topic of discussion for another day. But he took their budget and he opened up opportunities to black businesses so that they can come in and bid for contracts that had traditionally gone to white firms and white small businesses. And the dynamics of DC changed with his ability to go and allocate funding for these black businesses. You had businesses that would never have gotten access to that level of capital come in and bid for construction jobs and other contracting jobs and subcontracting jobs with DC, and they were able to generate wealth for their families, and a lot of those families are still there today, living a higher quality life than they would have without Mayor Barry's help and without his tenure as mayor of DC. Despite some of the challenges he had, I believe that his work deserves and his dedication to cooperative economics and taking responsibility and leveraging his power and authority and position to help his people and his community warrants libations. So we're going to pour libations to Mayor Marion Barry. Ashe. All right. Now, let's light our candles. So, day one, umoja, which is unity. Day two, kujichagulia, which is self-determination. Day three, Ujamaa, which is collective work and responsibility. And today is day four, which is Ujamaa, which is cooperative economics. Habari Gani, and the news and the word of today is Ujamaa, which means cooperative economics. See you tomorrow.